So Shweta, tell me something about yourself.
Oh, I'm Shweta. I'm a freelance Hindi translator and a
Okay.
content creator on YouTube. I have completed my graduation from Lucknow University. I have a good typing skill, both Hindi and English, and I'm skilled in Microsoft Office application. So, and I
Excellent.
believe in honesty and hard work. So that's all about myself.
Wonderful.
Hmm.
So you're from Jharkhand. You have completed your graduation from Lucknow University, and at present you are staying in West Bengal. Excellent. So Shweta, tell me what kind of content you create.
Initially, creating content on YouTube was a very fearful job, be honest, sir. So I started creating just vocabulary, sharing vocabulary videos. And after that, I got confidence, and now I'm creating conversational videos.
Okay. So what kind of vocabularies you share? Give me some examples.
Yeah, words which have same spelling but have different meaning, like like turn, turn the page, or it's your turn to speak, or like handle. How do you handle the situation? Cup of the handle is broken. So these type of words I have collected, and I was created that type of video,
Tell me the pronunciation of this word which I've written for you.
which are written here in chat
I
box.
have written. I have written in the chat.
I'm unable to look at search chat box. Can you pronounce this word?
GAOL.
Goal.
GAOL.
G O
No, it's GAOL.
GAOL.
Goal is GOAL. This is
GOA.
another spelling of jail. GAIL.
Oh, jail. Okay.
This is another spelling. GAOL.
Okay. It's a new word for me. Okay. Thank you, sir, for letting me know.
GAOL.
GAOL.
Correct.
Oh, first A, after that O, L.
Right. So
Hmm.
Shweta, tell me about your three positive points.
Three. I am optimistic person. Deal challenges with courage in a positive way. Having charming personality, and I feel good to help others, and I'm very kind person. So these are three qualities I can say about myself. First
Okay.
is deal challenges with courage. Second, helping people uh, with kindness, and third is having a charm personality.
Wonderful. No doubt you have a charming personality. But how do you help people with kindness? You said helping people with kindness. How do you help people with kindness? Give me one example where you have helped a person with kindness with your kindness.
Yes, sir. See, as I'm now I'm creating content, so it's like, and I have been working as a freelance translator. So I need to balance both the things. So I need someone who help me. So I have a helper at my home. So recently, what happened, sir? That girl, she didn't have a bicycle. So economically, I helped her to buy bicycle so that she come easily at my home, and she can do more work because of getting that cycle. So in this way, it's recently I have done. Otherwise, in my lifetime, whenever I, and second thing, sir, I help people mentally also. Like someone I feel that they are in a very low phase of their life, then always I talk with them, and in a such way that I will show them that positive side of your life. look at the positive side of your life and don't feel that your life is miserable. Whatever you are leading your life, you are blessed. So these type of things I always motivate others to make their life beautiful, happy. So in this way I help people, sir.
Shweta, tell me something about Durgapur. How is the place like? And how are the people? And how different it is from your place, Jharkhand?
Yes, sir. Durgapur is mainly situated and or established, I can say, because of steel plant. There are two big steel plants are situated in Durgapur. Durgapur steel plant and Alloy steel plant. And the city is very well organized. And it is situated near to the Damodar River. And what difference? It's like it's an industrial area, I can say. And as compared to Jharkhand, here Bengali people are here, so lifestyle is also belong to based on Bengali people. So I love both the lifestyles, sir. So and I enjoy, and best thing about Durgapur, because of industrial area, I got 24 hours electricity, water, and environment is very good. So I love these things about Durgapur.
Wonderful. So, what is your ambition in life?
My ambition is to become my best version in all aspect of life. Like life has a lot of aspects, like your physical, mental, economical. So I want to become my best version, and I want to put my best efforts because I am unique from all over the world. So I don't want to compare with others, but whatever I am, I just want to become my best version.
That is, you want to improve whatever resources that you have in bread, you want to improve on that. And
Yes, sir.
how are you thinking of improving?
First thing, sir, your mindset. If you have a positive mindset, hope, or you have a courage to face your difficult situation, then you can improve your lifestyle. Your thinking process
So
matters a lot. Like,
it's
see,
like are you saying that it's fortitude in adversity?
pardon, sir, can you repeat, sir?
Fortitude, another new word, fortitude, Fortitude. That means courage. Fortitude
Courage.
in
Okay.
adversity, that means bad times.
Yes,
Fortitude
sir.
in adversity. And
So first, if your mindset is good, then you overcome and improve yourself in many aspects of life, whether it's education, whether your lifestyle, relationship. So all the things, if you have a good mindset, you can deal easily and overcome your challenges with your life, and in this way you can also improve.
Shweta, what you do at your leisure, apart from creating content in YouTube, what you do at your leisure?
See, sir, I am in the journey of learning English. Before it, there are lots of hobbies I do. Like sometime I sing Star Maker app, or I play badminton. I play with my kids carom board. I cycle. I drive scooty, ride scooty. So these things I'm interested in. But when I started my English journey, I nowadays I am focusing towards improving my English, sir. Whether it's reading book,
Shweta,
conversation.
the pronunciation is English. English,
English,
correct.
English.
Can you say that you're reading books? What kind of books you're reading?
Uh, Two or three self-help book I read. One
I
is
am
You
suggesting a
Can Win.
book. I'm suggesting you a book. Don't go for self-help books. They're not really the perfect ones to learn English. I'm suggesting you a book. It's called Not a Penny More, Not a Penny Less by Jeffrey Archer.
Not
Not a penny
okay.
more, not a penny less. You don't have to buy this book. This book is available in the internet. You can download. And over there, when you are reading, if you come across a new word, Do not write down the word alone. Copy the entire sentence which consists that new word, because a word can have 6 to 7 meanings. Suppose if you ask me the meaning of, let's say, prodigal, the
Prodigal.
word prodigal
Okay.
has got 2 meanings. One is repentant, another is wasteful. Unless until you tell me the sentence, I won't be able to tell you that under what context, on what context that particular word has been used. So always write down the sentences highlighting the new word that you have come across. First, now I know that you are learning. I'm not telling you to go into very serious literature right now. This book, not a penny more, not a penny less, is written in very simple English, and it's a thriller.
Okay.
Now, one more thing, Shweta, you look like a very energetic and vibrant girl. This may happen that when you read a book of a person whose native language is English, sometimes it may happen you may have difficulty in understanding a particular sentence. Do not get disheartened. Do not think, this is not for me. Don't let that mindset creep into you. Be patient,
Okay.
continue reading, slowly and steadily you'll get the hang of the thing. All right?
Okay. Okay. So, yes, I will definitely purchase that book as you are telling. And even though if I will not interested to read, I will try to read it.
Shweta, as you have done enough improvement from your words, I can tell that you have worked hard to improve your English. Try to remove the words like likes and dislikes from your dictionary. Because if you
Okay.
don't like reading, try to bring that into you. Because when you are learning a language, you are not learning, this much I learned, kam chal jayega. Not like that, right? You want to learn the complete language, take a complete command, get a complete grasp over the language, right? So develop the habit of reading. I'm sure you can do it. You are a lady who is associated with so many things. I'm sure you can, if you want, you can develop the habit of reading.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Definitely, I will try my best. In English Yari, I interacted with lot of tutors like you, and all are suggesting me to read books. So yes, there is a saying: today's reader, tomorrow will be today's reader, tomorrow will be leader. So yes,
It's time
I
for the
need to
feedback,
read.
Shweta.
Hmm.
While speaking, you are still a little bit conscious about speaking. As a result, you are speaking very fast. What is happening? It
Okay,
is hampering your pronunciation. Like you said, definitely I read, definitely, definitely I will read,
definitely
definitely I'll read. It. Whenever there is a
read.
pronunciation of R, like you don't say Roman, you say Roman, Roman,
Roman.
read. Yes,
Definitely, I will read.
perfect, perfect.
I have learned lot of vocabulary, and the way I have to speak, I need to slow down my speed and need to focus on my pronunciation.
You will have the recording of this class, right?
Yes, sir.
I am telling you a couple of names. Try to see their videos as well in YouTube. One is Stephen Fry. Stephen
Stephen Fry.
Fry. Second is
Stephen Fry.
Satyajit Ray. But Satyajit Ray
Hmm.
interviews in English, not Bengali. And third is Tariq Ali.
Tariq Ali. Okay.
These three videos, I mean, the videos of these three people try to watch because they are very, very good speakers. I mean, they are born with the gift of the gap. So, if you listen to them, you will not only learn about, words, pronunciation, but also voice modulation. What is voice modulation?
the way we speak, like high pitch, low pitch, where we
For
have to
example,
increase our voice.
it was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. And I'm saying, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness. See, I'm giving you a feeling, the modulation, the ups and lows. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Shweta, any
Apart
questions
from
you have?
English,
Yeah.
no, sir, it's a really knowledgeable session for me. And I will, so thank you so much for providing so much value. Within 20 minutes, you have provided so much value to me. So thanks a lot.
You are asking me something that apart from English, something like that.
How you develop your communication skills, sir?
It was not really a conscious effort because from my childhood, I was born in an era where television was there for, but only for a limited period of time. There was no internet. So, during my time in the early 80s or in the late 70s when I was a child, the only entertainment was for the children was to read books and play. So I used to play less and read more because I read lots of books written for children, be it English or be it Bengali. I was a voracious reader, I was an avid reader, and still I am. I love reading books. So, and from my childhood, I had a love for English. It's not that with a conscious effort, no, I need to learn English because this will help me in the career. Not like that. I just loved it, I read it. So this is the way it is developed. Because if you are too conscious that I need to learn the language, you know, somehow or the other, it hampers the joy. It hampers the enjoyment. When you are learning a language, it is mandatory that you love it and at the same time you enjoy the language.
Hmm. Very true. Sometimes we feel so stressful that why my English is not improving. I am not focusing towards my efforts, what type of efforts I am putting. I just want to have result. Why I am not improving. So this
Let me
time we
tell
need to
you,
have
you
patience and we
speak good
need to enjoy
English.
the process.
You need to speak very, you speak very good English. Just you need to do a little bit of, fine tuning. Calm down a bit. Speak with a less rate of speech. Speak a bit slow. You will sound excellent. Otherwise, you have done an excellent job. I have never come across a person in this platform who speaks so fluently.
Oh my God.
Really, I mean
What
it.
a
I mean
great
it.
feedback. Hmm.
I mean it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Really, thank you so much.
Take care for today. God
This is the
bless.
best. Okay, sir.
So I wholeheartedly recommend EnglishYaari to anyone looking to enhance their spoken English skill. The platform isn't just about learning the language, it's about gaining the confidence and achieving personal milestones. So join EnglishYaari and keep learning for your continuous growth and improvement. Thank you.